I'm using 4 yards of crepe material to make this style, and it is neatly folded into 4. I measured neck width 3.5 inches. Neck depth for the back, I measured 1 inch. From the center back to the sleeve length, I measured 28 inches. At that point, I measured 1.5 inches for the shoulder slope, and I connect it to the neck width. For my sleeve opening, I measured 12 inches. My gown length is 62 inches including hemming allowance. This is a knockabout dress for me. So for my knockabout gown length, I normally use 62 inches including hemming allowance. For the wideness of the body, I impute my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 7 inches. The total wideness that I have at the upper part is 20 inches. I move to the hemline. I impute my hip measurement divided by 4 plus 5 inches. The total wideness that I have on the hemline is 18 inches. So from the upper part, I connect to the lower part. Please note, this is my preference. I love to shape my bubu. You can make it a straight cut if you like. Before cutting it out, I added joining allowance to the shoulder. After cutting, I'm going to remove the back bodice and continue with the front bodice. From the shoulder, I measure neck depth 9 inches. At that 9 inches neck depth, I measure 2.5 inches straight to the hemline. Then from the 9 inches, I connect it to the neck width. I rule a straight line on the dotted lines. After that, I cut it out. I'm going to pick the back bodice. I'm going to place the front bodice to the back bodice right side facing. Then I'm going to take to the sewing machine to join them at the shoulder. I'm joining the front and the back bodies right side facing each other. I've joined the bodice, as you can see. Next, I measured from my shoulder down to my waistline, which is 17 inches. Then I pick up my ashoke. The width of the ashoke is 6 inches. I folded 1 inch at one edge. I folded 1 inch at the other edge. Then I place it on the half length mark and stitch it down to the side. I stitch it at the upper part and the lower part. I repeat the same thing on the other side, folding 1 inch on both edges, then stitch it down. After that, you are going to fold the remaining ashoke, fold it into 2, then start sewing from the hem line, sew it through to the neckline and to the other side. First, you measure and cut out the amount of ashoke that you'll be needing. Fold in 1 inch on both ends and give it a good press. After that, place it on your waistline and pin it down. Pin it down at the upper part and the lower part. You are going to repeat the same thing on the other side as well. After pinning, you will take to your sewing machine. You will stitch it down at the upper part and the lower part using matching thread on the ashoke. After stitching the ashoke on the waistline, then you will sew the lapel. After sewing the lapel, this is how it looks. Next is to overlap the lapel on each other. Next, measure your neck depth. From the shoulder, measure your neck depth, then pin the ashoke together. After that, arrange it properly, let it overlap on each other, then take to your sewing machine. You are going to start the sewing from your desired neck depth to the hem line using matching thread. After sewing, this is how it looks. So on the wrong side of the front bodice, you are going to mark where your inner belt will be fixed. From the shoulder, I measured 16 inches. Then locate the midpoint of the front bodice. From the center front, I measured 9 inches on the left, 9 inches on the right. This 9 inches is my waist measurement divided by 4 minus 1. Work with your measurement. After that, you will hem the sleeve opening, sew the sides, hem the down part, give it a good press, and that's about it for today's tutorial. We've come to the end of today's tutorial. If you find my tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below if you've not done so. I upload weekly tutorial on my channel. Also remember to click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Until I come your way next, please stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Bye for now.